Okay, airspeed's alive. 50. 60. Start to pull back. Whew, yeah.
Get me to 75.
Climbing out. Airspeed 75. Okay, climb out to 2,000. I'm heading 30, so I want to make a right turn as soon as I clear about 800 pattern. Holy. Oh. Whoa. All right. Here's it. That's how it's going to go today, huh? Yikes.
Cherokee 3809er, it's downwind for runway 31.
Cherokee 809er, runway 31, clear line 13108, gust 20. We have a Piper for you about 40 minutes ago. A Cirrus reported gain of loss of 10 knots on final for runway 31.
Whoa, what was that all stuff?
Okay, clear land runway 31, Cherokee 3809er.
What was the rest of it that he said?
I do not know.
We have a Piper for you about 40 minutes ago. A Cirrus reported gain and loss of 10 knots on final for runway 31.
Oh, not just flaps.
75.
75.
75, 80.
Yeah, it's. I think I'm okay here because it's.
Yeah, let's go 80 today.
Okay.
80. So push forward, a little forward. Push forward.
I think I'm a little bit low. I see a pilot there. Looks like he's departing. Okay, not a factor.
Wind 33006, gust 20.
3306, gust 20. Alright. Airspeed 85.
Around 80. 80 is good.
Okay. Continue descent. A little bit high. Cut back power a bit. Turning final. Let me line this up. Let me get my heels off the ground here. Get my aiming points, runway 31 numbers.
Alright.
Okay. Lining up for runway. Okay.
Can actually, yeah, I mean, you're
Stable.
good. Yep.
Okay.
I'm
gonna cut back on power just a touch here.
No need,
no
because
need?
we have strong headwinds.
Okay.
So, if you cut the power, you're gonna... You can actually add a little bit of power.
Add a little bit of power.
Add. Yes, add.
Okay.
Do you see the numbers go up?
Yeah. Okay. Got it. And now I can go full idle.
Not now.
Not now?
We have power. We have strong headwinds. Now
Okay.
you can do that.
Okay.
Yep.
Got it.
I'll look down the runway. Wake that feet up. Look down. Here you go. Alright.
Okay. I'm good.
Alright.
Wow. Okay. I'm still flying. Let me shut up.
Still flying. Little bit to the wind.
Okay. Keep.
Cherokee 809, stay parking.
Cherokee 809, we'll taxi back for departure.
Cherokee 809, roger. You can left turn at Charlie, taxi with the Bravo, and hold shut up runway 23.
Taxi via Charlie to Bravo, hold short 23. 3809.
Relax.
Yeah. You see me kind of going.
You're
like,
a little tense.
I am. I don't know why.
It's okay.
I just don't want to make a mistake, you know?
Who cares? I'm here for you to not make mistakes.
Yeah.
Now we can hold short.
Okay. Did I answer his question?
About
I mean,
what?
he asked where I was going, and I said southwest.
Yeah.
But should I have said southwest to Somerset?
If you, I mean, it's up to you.
Cherokee 809, runway 31, line up and wait.
Right.
Cherokee 3809, holding short, runway 31.
He already told you line up and wait.
Okay.
Cherokee 3809, line up and wait, 31.
All right, let's go. You gotta listen. Come on.
Okay, so that I can go?
He said line up and wait.
Oh, lined up and wait.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't mean to answer the wrong question. Okay, so he probably knows I'm the student.
It's okay. Do
Yeah.
not get that pressure. You are a student.
Yeah.
Cherokee 809, runway 31, clear for takeoff, wind 29013, gust 20, left turn and course approved.
Left turn course approved.
Clear for takeoff, runway 31, left turn course approved. Cherokee 3809.
Okay.
All right.
Take off, power.
Confirmed. We're going to the
Southwest, so the opposite of 5, 22.3.
yep, southwest.
Airspeed to live. 60. 60. Rotate.
Left rudder, right rudder. There you go.
Yeah.
75.
75. Okay.
1500 RPM.
1500 RPM.
A little bit back pressure, 75 knots.
Yep.
All right, now we can start our
Trim this
return
out.
and crab into the wind into base. And a little bit power, no pulling.
Okay.
No pulling.
That wind pushes you down like as soon as you turn.
Like crazy.
Yeah.
So crab into the wind.
Okay.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 09, left base 30 Somerset.
Take out some power now.
All right, no pushing, no pulling.
No pulling. Okay.
I don't know why you push.
Yeah, because maybe I should just use power to control.
All right.
I got to turn. Final overshot.
Yep. Now add a little bit power.
Yeah.
There you go.
I want to maintain that power.
Yep. But as we come closer, gently less power. No pushing.
Okay. I got to trim.
No, it's you're trimmed right. You're just pushing.
Okay. Am I not descending here? I feel like I'm.
Well,
I got
less power. As we come in closer, less power.
Right.
Gentle, less power.
Okay. All right. A little bit high, but I think I'm going to clear the trees and then
You're
cut.
fine. Yeah.
Okay,
You're
okay.
fine.
I'm not going to worry about the pappies right now.
Yep.
Okay.
Worry about the numbers. Your aiming point.
Yep. This normally would be very high and very fast.
We're not that high.
No? Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Add that a little bit. All right, you're fine. You're fine. We've got power to idle. Got
Power idle.
line. Look into distance. Fly. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. All right. More.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 5331, Foxtrot, south end to the 45 for left traffic 30 Somerset.
Yeah, center line is just super important. You don't want to correct for the center line at that last minute.
Last minute was bad, yeah.
And I'll tell you why in the classroom.
Okay.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 09 is cleared, runway 30 Somerset.